the foundation of your future career choices and financial stability. Your career is more than just a job, it's the foundation of your financial future. The decisions you make today will shape your financial landscape for years to come. The choices you make about your career path directly impact your earning potential, financial stability, and overall well-being. Every step you take in your career journey can either bring you closer to financial freedom or set you back. It's crucial to approach career decisions with a financial lens, considering both short-term income and long-term financial goals. This means evaluating job offers not just for their immediate salary, but also for benefits, growth opportunities, and job security. Think of your career as an investment. Just like any other investment, it requires careful planning, strategic thinking, and sometimes a bit of risk-taking. You invest your time, skills, and energy to reap financial rewards. Continuous learning and skill development are key components of this investment, ensuring you remain competitive in the job market. Choosing a career path that aligns with your interests and financial aspirations is essential for a secure and fulfilling future. It's about finding that sweet spot where passion meets profitability. Remember, your career is a marathon, not a sprint. It's a long-term journey that requires endurance, patience, and perseverance. Making informed decisions about your career requires careful planning and consideration. This involves setting clear career goals, seeking advice from mentors, and staying informed about industry trends. It's essential to research different career paths, understand their potential financial outcomes, and align them with your personal goals and values. This research can help you make more informed decisions and avoid potential pitfalls. By doing so, you can pave the way for a financially secure and rewarding future. A well-thought-out career plan can lead to not only financial stability, but also personal satisfaction and professional growth. Charting your course. Exploring different career paths and their financial trajectories. Different career paths offer varying financial rewards. Some industries, like technology and finance, are known for their high earning potential. Others, such as education and social work, may offer lower starting salaries but provide strong job security and benefits. It's crucial to research and compare different career paths to understand their potential financial outcomes. Consider factors like average salary, job growth outlook, and potential for advancement. Don't base your decisions solely on earning potential. Think about your interests, skills, and values. A career that aligns with your passions can lead to greater job satisfaction, which can, in turn, positively impact your financial well-being. Education, the stepping stone to career and financial success. Education plays a pivotal role in shaping career opportunities and, consequently, financial outcomes. A solid educational foundation can open doors to higher-paying jobs and greater career advancement prospects. Higher education, such as a college degree, often translates to higher earning potential. However, it's not the only path to success. Vocational training and apprenticeships can also lead to well-paying, in-demand careers. Invest in your education and skills development. Continuously seek opportunities to learn and grow in your chosen field. This will make you a more competitive candidate and increase your earning potential over time. Climbing the ladder. Career advancement and its impact on financial well-being. Career advancement is a key driver of financial growth. As you gain experience, develop new skills, and take on more responsibility, your earning potential increases. Seek opportunities for growth within your current organization. Volunteer for new projects, take on leadership roles, and pursue professional development opportunities. Don't be afraid to negotiate for promotions and salary increases when you deserve them. Networking is essential for career advancement. Build relationships with colleagues, mentors, and industry professionals. Networking can open doors to new opportunities and help you climb the career ladder faster. Section 5. Beyond the 9-to-5. Exploring side hustles for increased earning potential. Side hustles can be a great way to supplement your income, gain new skills, and explore different career interests. In today's economy, having multiple streams of income can provide financial security and flexibility. Consider your skills and interests when choosing a side hustle. Do you enjoy writing, photography, or web design? These skills can be monetized through freelancing platforms or by starting your own business. Be strategic with your time and energy. Choose a side hustle that aligns with your schedule and financial goals. Remember, the goal is to supplement your income, not to overwork yourself. Section 6. Passion meets prosperity. How job satisfaction can fuel financial growth. While a high salary is important, job satisfaction should not be overlooked. It's a crucial element that can significantly impact your overall well-being and financial success. When you enjoy your work, you're more likely to be engaged, productive, and motivated to succeed. This enthusiasm can translate into better performance and higher quality of work. Job satisfaction can lead to greater financial well-being in several ways. It not only enhances your day-to-day experience but also contributes to long-term career growth. It can increase your earning potential, as employers are willing to pay more for passionate and dedicated employees. Your commitment and enthusiasm can make you a valuable asset to any organization. It can also reduce stress and improve your overall health, leading to lower healthcare costs and increased productivity. A positive work environment can foster better mental and physical health. Finding a career that aligns with your values and interests is essential for long-term job satisfaction. It's important to seek out roles that resonate with your personal goals and aspirations. Don't be afraid to explore different career paths and make changes if you're feeling unfulfilled. Taking the time to find the right fit can lead to a more rewarding and financially prosperous career. Section 7. Real-life success stories, illustrating the link between career choices and financial security. Consider the story of Sarah, a high school teacher who was passionate about education but struggled financially. Despite her dedication and hard work, her salary was not enough to cover all her expenses and save for the future. To supplement her income, Sarah started a side hustle as a freelance writer, specializing in educational content. She spent her evenings and weekends writing articles, lesson plans, and educational guides. Her passion for writing and her teaching experience made her a sought-after writer, and she was able to significantly increase her income. Over time, her side hustle grew, allowing her to pay off debts and build a savings cushion. John, a software engineer, always enjoyed working with his hands. Despite having a stable and well-paying job, he felt something was missing in his life. He started a side hustle as a furniture maker, selling his creations online and at local craft fairs. John dedicated his weekends to crafting unique pieces of furniture, which quickly gained popularity. His side hustle not only brought him additional income, but also provided a creative outlet and a sense of fulfillment. The positive feedback from customers and the joy of creating something tangible added a new dimension to his life. These stories illustrate how strategic career choices, combined with hard work and a bit of creativity, can lead to financial security and a more fulfilling life. By leveraging their skills and passions, both Sarah and John were able to create additional income streams and achieve their financial goals, proving that, with the right approach, anyone can enhance their financial stability and personal satisfaction. Section 8. The importance of financial planning in any career path. No matter your chosen career path, financial planning is essential for achieving your financial goals. It's crucial to budget your money, save for retirement, and manage debt wisely. Create a budget that aligns with your income and expenses. Track your spending, identify areas where you can cut back, and automate your savings. Start saving for retirement early, even if it's just a small amount. Avoid accumulating high-interest debt. Live within your means and prioritize paying down existing debt, such as student loans or credit card balances. Financial planning is crucial for weathering financial storms and achieving long-term financial stability. Section 9. Navigating career challenges and their impact on finances. Career paths are rarely linear. You may face challenges such as job loss, salary cuts, or unexpected career changes. It's crucial to be prepared for these challenges and to have a plan in place. Build an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses such as job loss or medical bills. Having a financial cushion can provide peace of mind during times of uncertainty. Continuously update your skills and network with other professionals in your field. This will make you a more marketable candidate should you need to find a new job. Section 10. The value of mentorship and networking in career and financial growth. Mentorship and networking play vital roles in career and financial growth. Mentors can provide guidance, support, and valuable insights into your chosen field. Seek out mentors who are experienced and successful in your industry. Learn from their experiences, ask for advice, and leverage their network to create new opportunities for yourself. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and connect with people on LinkedIn. Building a strong network can open doors to new job opportunities, collaborations, and valuable insights. Section 11. The power of choice. Taking control of your career and financial future. Your career is not predetermined. You have the power to make choices that shape your financial future. By carefully considering your options, investing in your education, and making strategic decisions, you can create a fulfilling and financially secure life. Remember, your career is a journey, not a destination. Be adaptable, embrace new opportunities, and never stop learning and growing. Your financial future is in your hands. Make choices that align with your passions, your values, and your long-term financial goals.